Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Today, we're diving into the how-to and where of the recruitment and hiring process for janitorial staff, unraveling the complexities, and giving you practical tips to streamline your efforts. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed hiring decisions that keep your facilities spotless and your operations running smoothly. Let's start with the how-to of identifying the right candidates. Janitorial positions might seem straightforward, but finding someone who's not just willing, but also capable and reliable is crucial. The key? Look beyond just availability and physical ability. The right candidate will have a strong work ethic, attention to detail, and the ability to work independently. So, where do you find these qualified applicants? Start by posting detailed job descriptions on popular job boards like Indeed, ZipRecruiter, or LinkedIn, where many candidates actively search for work. Additionally, consider specialized job boards that focus on blue-collar jobs, such as Snag-a-Job or Simply Hired. Local community bulletin boards, both online and offline, can also be valuable, especially if you're looking for candidates from nearby areas who are already familiar with the community. But don't stop there. Facebook can be an excellent resource for finding janitorial staff. Post your job listings in local community groups or specialized cleaning communities on Facebook. These groups often have members who are already in the industry or are looking to enter it, making them a prime target for your recruitment efforts. Additionally, using Facebook ads can help you reach a broader, yet still targeted audience. Another valuable resource is connecting with cleaning communities, both online and offline. Many cities have local cleaning organizations or forums where professionals share tips, resources, and job opportunities. Being active in these communities not only helps you find potential hires, but also establishes your company as a trusted name in the industry. Don't forget about networking within your local community. Reach out to job placement centers, community colleges, or vocational schools that offer training in facility management or custodial work. Another great place to find potential candidates is through employee referrals. Your current staff might know someone who's a perfect fit for the job. Next, let's tackle the how-to of the interview process. Interviewing for janitorial positions requires a tailored approach. It's not just about asking if they've done similar work before, although that's important. It's about digging deeper. Ask situational questions. How do you handle cleaning when time is tight? Or, what steps do you take to ensure a space is thoroughly cleaned? These questions help you gauge their problem-solving skills and attention to detail. And where should these interviews take place? Ideally, conduct interviews on site. This gives candidates a real feel for the environment they'll be working in and allows you to observe their reaction to the actual workspace. It's also a great way to assess how they might fit into your existing team. As you interview, keep an eye out for key skills and traits. Dependability is at the top of the list. You need someone who shows up on time, every time, and can be trusted with access to various areas of your facility. Strong communication skills are also important, especially if they're working in environments where they might interact with your staff or the public. Look for candidates who are proactive, who take the initiative to notice what needs to be done and do it without waiting for instructions. Once you've found the right candidate, the how-to of effective onboarding and training comes into play. Start with a clear introduction to your facility's expectations and any specific cleaning protocols. Hands-on training is a must. Don't just tell them what to do, show them. Pairing them with an experienced team member during their first few weeks can also be incredibly helpful. But where should this training happen? Conduct it directly in the areas where they'll be working. Training on the job site ensures they're familiar with the specific spaces they'll be responsible for and the unique challenges each area might present. Regular check-ins during the first few months are essential. They give you the opportunity to provide feedback, answer any questions, and ensure that your new hire is adjusting well to the role. Remember, a well-trained janitor isn't just a cleaner. They're a key player in maintaining the overall health and safety of your facility. So there you have it! By following these best practices, identifying the right candidates, knowing where to find them, crafting effective job descriptions, tailoring your interview techniques, and providing thorough onboarding and training, you'll be well on your way to building a top-notch janitorial team. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the recruitment and hiring process for janitorial staff. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights into effective hiring practices. And if you have any tips or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more from Dan the Cleaning Man channel, where we bring you the tools you need to build a clean, efficient, and well-managed facility.